Hello and thank you for stopping by. Today I'm just pointing out this catastrophic failure I have on this Snapper LT200 riding mower. I had a deck belt that was on its way out, so I pre-ordered the belt before it went. Well, it was cut into some high brush yesterday and the old belt snapped. Now this is a belt I bought from the Briggs & Stratton website. The reason I went there, I want to make sure I got the right belt for this deck. When I went to put it on, this belt was extremely tight. If you can see, you can see the spring over here. I had to stretch this all the way out to get it. And I thought it was a little too tight. I had a friend of mine look at it with me, and he thought it was pretty tight also. I was worried about blowing out these bearings because the belt was so tight. Well, put it on, let it run for a couple of minutes. It seemed okay. Started cutting some grass, and you can see the grass over here isn't that high. It's just ready to be cut, and the belt chewed up. Didn't even smoke, it just chewed right up. I heard it chew. The disturbing part about this is that I could have got this belt cheaper online at Amazon, but I went to Briggs & Stratton, gave them the model number to make sure I got the right belt for this, because I didn't want this to happen. By the time I get another belt in, put it on, this grass is going to grow and I'm going to have to rake this lawn again. And this is a big lawn to rake. I'm just pointing this out. Regardless of where you buy your belt, if it seems like it's too tight, it probably is, because I might have ruined the spring too, because I had the spring stretched all the way out. So I might have to buy a new spring, because this thing I had to put a pipe on and stretch it all the way out. And I knew it shouldn't have been that tight, and I should have went with my gut feeling. Just pointing it out as a tip to beware, regardless where you buy your belt. If it seems like it's too tight, before you engage your blades, look it over, give it a second thought. If you're not sure, take it off and replace it. Well, that's a wrap for now. If you have any questions or comments, post them down below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Hit that Joe Z button at the end of this video. And until next time, stay safe.